What's up, everybody? Happy Friday. Welcome back. Started off as a semi-spicy morning. I did sleep in a little bit. We missed CherPow, but it wasn't a very long CherPow anyway. Apparently, it was like a 5-minute thing. Basically, came out at Jackson Hole and talked about not being done increasing interest rates despite progress. Some hawkish tone coming out of CherPow today. I am bummed that we missed that, but yeah, maybe it's for the best. Not so great for markets. Not so great for markets. Apparently pretty good for the dollar. So guys, please do me a favor. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Smash the like button. Engage with the live stream. The more you do that, the more YouTube will show the stream to new people, and that is how we grow. And I love you guys. You can check out our Discord, discord.gg/TomCrown, and also sign up. You're going to see me trading today on Femex and Fairdesk. Those are our exchange partners. Their links are in the video description below. Sign up using them for some sweet bonuses. No KYC. You can keep your data private, and you can trade on some of the best exchanges out there. So looking at stocks. Stocks actually are up very mildly today. VIX is down and the dollar is up, and every news article is talking about CherPow. Must have been just shy of a nothing burger, as he said. They're prepared to continue raising rates. Prepared to continue raising rates seems to be over and over again repeated here, and there really is no other news. That's it. Crude oil gains, rate hike chances rise. You know, let's actually look at our Fed rate monitor tool really quick, see if there's some big changes. Does look like no interest rate hike is down to 79% from 90% last week. And 25 BPS is inching its way up from 0, now at 21% probability. Likely more pain for markets if we see that in September. It's going to be September. We don't have one this month. Jump into some charts. Get some starts. Bitcoin, obviously, we'll look at. Let's probably look at Pepe. It did have a pretty gnarly sell-off last night. Gnarly. Pepe breaking lows on Binance last night, trading down to 76078. I don't think that's an all-time low, but that is significantly down from its listing price on Binance, 82%. We'll get into those. We'll look more into the dollar here. We did get a pretty weak close on Wednesday. Thursday definitely showing strength. Dollar closing higher, up over 0.5%, but closing its highest candle since June of this year, and today pushing higher. Man, not great. Not what I wanted to see here. We don't have a higher high yet versus May of this year, but our RSI is higher, so the dollar may be painting out some bearish divergence. However, these indicators are looking pretty good, actually. I don't love to see that. The more the dollar gains, the more pain we see in markets, equities, crypto, commodities, etc. And I don't really love what I'm seeing here. The dollar on its 6th week closing green. I guess the dollar stole our moon or something. 6 hours to go on the dollar. That will be a spicy close. We will not be live in 6 hours unless something crazy happens. I'll pull up Bitcoin here. Let's flip it out. We are getting towards the end of the month, and that monthly candle looks like hot shit. Hot shit. Still respecting the low of June, but just barely. Man, I just cut my beard. Now there's little hairs everywhere. Happens a lot. Still respecting June's low, but that's still not a great candle with 6 days to go. Just about a week. Will 24/8 hold? I do not know. Looking at the quarterly, ugly as ever. Hopefully September brings us some flowers. August brought us really nothing. To be honest, this has been super uneventful. I will say August in general in crypto are uneventful. I don't know if it's the summer or what, but that's par for the course here. Before we get into too much TA, too much of the nitty gritty, I'm going to pull up the chat. We do have a poll going. That also counts as engagement, so go ahead, engage with the poll. We'll probably do some you pick the trades here in a little bit. I'm just settling in. What's up, loading name? Let me see who's here. 88 Ace, awesome PKing Twins, bro tip my man. Chang Jun G, Coins Check, Crypto Face. Yo, where's Crypto Face? Where's my mang? Where my mang? Let me scroll up. Did he say something? There he is. Dump, dump, dump. Yeah, it is looking a little dumpy. CryptoFace looking for a dump. Put that into your calculations. CryptoX Gamer, Crypto Craze, Daniel Lehman, what's up, dude? Dave Digital, Derek 4 Reels, David, Dino Mike, been a while, Dino, how you doing, man? Flipper Frank, FOMO Sapien, Gen X, Crypto, It's, Autopilot, Jarno, Joel, Jonah Plainclothes, Josh Core, Kron, Liquidated Shorts, loading name, Mark Harris, Mike, NBF Forum, what's up, dude? No Way Man, Oh My, Oh No Y2K, Randy, Abic, S. Dowg, Patrick Harbaddy, Sophisticated Dirtbag, Fly Fishing, Spoon, Pickle, NL Koala Gamer, Tillin McPooch. Don't be Tillin McPooch. You're the man. Vinmin, Viral Video, and Monkey, and everyone who probably said something since I started shouting people out. Yo, my guy, what's up? Yo! What's up? What's up? Who did I miss? Derek for Reels. CJ, what's up, man? Liquidated Shorts. You got front run by $17 on a long. Dude, I got sniped by a fraction of a penny on my 95 cent XRP take profit last month. I feel you. What's up, Hendrick? What's up, brother? Lewis Christie JB, what's my thought on CryptoFace saying Bitcoin will never reach an all-time high ever again? Are you asking because he's here? I think someone asked me that literally on the last stream. What's up, Present? What's up, Crypto Birdie, David? Wolf, Mr. Wolf. Get the dumb going. All right, get the dumb going. It is F-Boy Friday. A time every week we take to reflect on who we were in the past and who we've become in the present so that we may have a better future, a better tomorrow. Such an inspiring day. Share the video, guys. Thanks, Crypto Gamer. What's up, LT Bellew? Crypto Face, short looking good. Does he have a fatty open? Did he say anything else after dump? He's probably busy. I could open up Steam, see if he's playing. Ha! I like that guy. Me too. He's my good friend. CryptoFace is not just a peer on YouTube. He's one of my buddies. Love that guy. Such a good dude. What's up, Pepito, Crypto Pup, Gout, Roy the Rolling Robot, my favorite robot, Donald Pepe. Sorry about Pepe dumping. I blame you, Donald. But it's okay. We'll forgive you. What's up, Venom Hex, Mark Harris? Let's go. Tony Palcio. What's cracking, homie? Not much. Not much. What are you guys looking at? What's up, Sagar Roy? Please compare Bitcoin versus USDT dominance and Dixie. This would be really hard to compare all three. It'd be hard to compare all three. Still an F-boy at heart, of course. Snoring now. Yeah, probably passed out. Sorry you're late. You're making curry. Pass some of that over here. I love curry. What's up, T? What's up, Snacks? Ron? Huffy? Monday, the hash key exchange opens in Hong Kong. Will that pump Bitcoin? We have no idea what kind of volume they'll do. If they're bullish or bearish. A lot of the time, guys, this is a little mini lesson. A lot of the time when you see a coin listed, it sounds like a really bullish event, right? Because, oh, now all these people can buy my coin. Well, that's technically true, but what tends to happen, and I will say this, when the market is in a clear uptrend, like moving into 2021, we saw something different, but in general, kind of at any random time, a listing isn't super bullish unless it's maybe the only listing. Like it goes from a swap and then it's like the first listing on an exchange. Sometimes that can play out well even in a bear market. But what happens in reality is when you have new listings or new exchanges, what happens is that big market makers use that as liquidity to sell off into, as like these new people buy in thinking it's going to go up. Just be very weary of really ever being bullish on listings. Let's put it that way. Buy more, guys, says Chan. Yeah, do it. Nothing burger. Let's go long. I'm still long, baby. Still long. Not all dumps are bullish. Not all pumps are bearish. I like it. What's up, Awesome Mystic? Seems like CherPow is borderline yet, maybe. Christoph, what's my advice on trading bots, Tom? Be very careful. Christoph Van der Meer. Be very careful. Crypto trading bots are only as good as the script that they run off of, okay? So, the person that created the script, do they know what they're doing? A lot of the time, they don't. That's not a very common crossover to know how to program bots and be a trader. But even if the script is good, you have to be very careful. One, I would recommend using something like 3 commas. a lot of exchanges are building in bots like DCA or grid bots or whatever kind of strategy bots. I would recommend those over the alternative, which is, oh God, please don't do this ever, but like Googling crypto trading bot and downloading something. Don't ever ever download a program that is like really honestly even crypto related unless it comes from an incredibly trusted source. There's got to be about, I don't know, like 999 crypto trading bots that you can download that are just Trojans that just steal your keys. They steal, you give them access to your accounts and they just take your assets, or they make unfavorable trades into their own trades. It's kind of complicated, but it's a pretty common way of grifting assets off an exchange or stealing them via that method. Is like, if you ever happened to you, or if you've heard of it, basically someone will wake up and all of a sudden their bot took all these really weird bad trades into a liquid coins. Basically what it is it is syncing up with the other part of that script where it's saying, okay, I'm going to sell this really weird random coin. I'm going to put a huge limit order at however much assets you have, and I'm just going to buy into it, and you're going to be stuck with this crappy asset. Be very careful. There's a lot of potential dangers in crypto bots. Not literally like if they're real, but there's so many that are going to be posing as real that it makes them very risky. So be careful. Be careful. If you're really interested, I would suggest using 3 commas. I know they've had issues in the past, but they've been around for years and they've got their stuff together. But there's always going to be risk coming from the exchange, risk coming from the script, risk coming from the program, etc. So your problem is time. Yeah. If you really want to be like a profitable, consistent trader, you are putting in a lot of time, and it's probably not worth it, to be honest. Stacking and holding, DCAing Bitcoin and holding is a very difficult, it's a very difficult strategy to beat. It is, given enough time. Bullish on Sodomai. Okay, well, enjoy your Sodomai. They just steal your API key and clean you out. Yep, bathwater basin, that, absolutely. Even sneakier, though, is that market making thing that I said, because that way there's no trail. It doesn't go from your exchange account to a different wallet where they can track it. It kind of just disappears on the exchange. Be careful. Superbot.exe. I don't know, man. Be careful, Magnus. I believe you have a Freak Trade, which is a highly trusted community bot. I just got to be careful, man. Everything that's a scam is going to tell you it's not a scam, right? And I don't know anything about Freak Trade, but just be careful. Know your risks. What up, Fadden Trade 5? What's up, man? Alex S, how you doing? Be human, don't be a bot. Fair enough. Love from India. Shout out to India. We love curry, and we love our Indian fam out there, man. Love it. Want to roll over. Dollar's looking like it wants to roll over. I want it to roll over. We just looked at it a little bit. I want it to roll over, but man. All right, well, on shorter time frames, do you have some bearish divergence painting? That is welcomed. That is a welcomed surprise there. We see our highs coming up on price, and our highs are not coming up on RSI. Low time frame bearish divergence is the first thing you'd look for, so not bad. What do I think about our pirate chain cast? I believe it is legit, right? It's kind of like Monero. I know some people who are really into it. I myself actually don't own any for some reason. So sus, bruh. So sus, bruh. Sus, bruh. CherPow said mild recession in 24. Isn't it interesting how every other day we won't have a recession? We will have a recession, like back and forth. Just whipping up liquidity. I'm not a scam. Bro Tip's not a scam. Greeting from Luxembourg. What's up, S-Scale? What do I think will happen? Pump it up? Honestly, probably a little dump over the weekend. Probably a little dumpy. Everything is a scam says it's not a scam. Exactly, David. Exactly. Truth. CoinsCheck is giving away $50 on Twitter, so you can go retweet her. Renee Silva, what's up, bruh? Any tips from Professor Beans? What, Professor Beans? She's been taking it easy since her surgery, you know. She's sitting here licking her Tracy. She got her, she's biting at her healed up wounds. Don't you rip that open? No, she won't. It's all healed. Chicken tikka masala. Hell yeah. Send it, Tom. Thank you, Randy. Sagar Roy. Which Indian curry? I like Indian food is amazing, period. period. I don't want to embarrass myself by saying the wrong names, pronouncing them wrong, but like almost everything I've had at good Indian places is banging. Big rate hike energy. Hi from Belgium. Cheers to Germany and Belgium. Twitter scams. True. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Dude, the best and safest practice in crypto is to assume everything is a scam. Don't be the first lemming to cross the bridge. Let the other lemmings walk across, and if they make it, then maybe you can roll the dice. Don't be the first one across. It's really not a good idea. Really not a good idea. Buy more and keep. No FOMO. Yeah, I mean, yeah. H-bar. How's H-bar doing? We could take a look at it. Dr. Crypto. Staffordshire in the UK. Cheers. We have a lot of UK viewers, actually. Lots. It's like our second biggest demographic. So we are really just about where we were the last time we streamed. Let's tell the story. The story of the corn. Right about where we were. We had a nice little support building here from the day at 26,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 days in a row. We have wicked intraday below $26,000. Only to be bought back up today with 6 hours, 7 hours to go, potentially looking for the lowest close. Hopefully not. That's not what I wanted to see. RSI rolling back over. That's not good. That's usually prep for a dump. Boo. Daily money flow and market cipher B looks like crap as well. Man, doing so good, man. Bull market support band still firmly above us at 27.8, or shall we say bear market resistance band. Who wants to go into business right now? So we have the bull market support band. Who wants to make the bear market resistance band? And it's the same thing. We'll just kind of color it red and we'll change the title and we'll sell it as a premium product. Let's go. Let's do it. On the day, Ichimoku hovering above us, that cloud, not looking good. Lots of resistance being shown here to my eye. The TK Kaijun, both potentially resistance, and this fat cloud. We do have a little weakness in the cloud. It looks like early September. It's like September 5th. And and then picks back up September 11th and 12th, potentially. Prices and dates and time that price may look to move to. All the way up there. 12 hour. Jeez. I'm so sick of looking at charts that are like this. I just want the bull. I want the bull back. I want the horns back. I want all of it. I'm sick of this. Nothing really good. 12 hour really reflecting that thin cloud above. Not a lot of resistance, at least on this 12 hour time frame. But a daily, even if we see a move up, a daily may struggle to close above these levels. All right, cool. Well, I am glad the dump stopped here. It did again come just shy of June's low. It also bounced, or is holding at the moment, the weekly Kaijun, the slower, longer moving average. Honestly, though, looking at the weekly with the Ichi here, right? So support right there from the Kaijun. Looking at this, we didn't invalidate our low in June. We didn't break our structure there, right? Now we have almost a week. So throughout this weekend, 2 days and 7 hours. But throughout this weekend, if we can hold in this zone, if we don't break our low of the week, don't break last week's low, 25.2, this actually becomes like a pretty nice reversal candle, right? To put this in perspective for you, we have this very inefficient move down in the market. If we can close this doji, I'd be looking potentially for those little weakness boxes to move back up. You can kind of see an example right here. We had an inefficient move in the market on the way up, closed a doji, and what happened? We fell back down. So hopefully we see that repeat here, which would look maybe something like this. That would be really brutal. A few weeks of sideways and then a move back up. I would prefer not to have that. But closing doji here this weekend could be a strong close. I'll take it. Let's go down to some smaller time frames. It's really hard to do TA when price is sideways for so long. I know I've complained about that before, but your oscillators, your indicators are not going to be much help. They're not really able to do as much when there's no real volatility. I mean, there was volatility here in the drop. That was volatile. But then we're just sideways again. So what happened? Let's like think about this. Our indicators, let's just say they're right in the middle, right? This is our fake little indicator I just made up. Here it is. This is 100, this is 0. We're like right here in the middle when we're up here. It drops down as price just hammers. And then what happens? It inches back up to that 50 line and it just trades sideways. The only thing we can look for here is bullish divergence on the low, which we definitely have. We've looked at in the last streams. You're going to find divergence from this low due to the violences of which it sold off. Gonna have it pretty much on every time frame. Looked at it last week or on Wednesday, and it was visible from like the day all the way out into like the month almost. What's up, Tetch Ken? The lovable F-boy. Thank you. Thank you. Try to be better every day. Every single day, try to be better. We're trading sideways. These bands are getting tight. On the 4. Man. Maybe we're going to look for 27.9. I think that's the exact number we picked in the last stream. 20 daily moving average just trending down. Not a bad spot to look for a bounce or a retracement to. What do we do? What do we do today, guys? What the fudge? What the fudge? What are we even going to do? Like what kind of TA can we do? Number goes sideways. Number goes sideways. Thoughts on Adam? What's up, Derek 4 Reels? Derek 4 Reels, are you subscribed? If you subscribe, I'll look at Adam for you. BlackRock gonna need to do a lot more Bitcoin to service that. He's gonna need a lot more Bitcoin. Well, we do see the third biggest wallet. I have like hair stuck in my beard. We did see a new wallet emerge as the third biggest wallet over the last month. A lot of speculation that's BlackRock. Or honestly, it doesn't have to be BlackRock. It could be any of the people looking to open an NFT. BlackRock's looking to open an NFT. ETF. Could be. Could be. Violated by the violence. Violence-lated. What's up, cool? Looking for some good shorts? Maybe, but like to get a short in, here's what I'm saying. What the hell are we even going to do? To get a short in, we got to see some kind of retracement, right? To short right here. I mean, it could work out. Anything could work out. If that's your motto, oh, it could work out right here. I mean, you might as well just go buy lottery tickets. Because it might work out. We had a nice little wick high before the stream today. Not too high, 26.3. Like, when you see something like that, you can get a short opportunity. But there just is no short opportunity. I'm not shorting sideways. Heckin' no. Maybe 26.4, 618 retracement. If we see this today, could hunt that for a short entry. Want to be a little more conservative, 26.6. Ooh, we have a subscriber. TSM, what's up, TSM? My man, taking the stream scribe-ginity. I love it. Welcome. Stay a while and listen. Good to have you, man. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed yet, join us. We're racing Bitcoin to 100K, and Bitcoin was winning in 21. We were winning in 22 into 23, and now neither. Now we're both just going sideways. Bitcoin price sideways. Our subscriber count pretty sideways. So help us out. Help us out. Would you help us out by subscribing? It would be greatly appreciated. Looking for like fair value gap or something here. It's all right there. You like 25.7, but you already hit that. You hit that in the last 4 hour. I do not know what to do. I don't know. I don't want to go long without a break of these lows. And I don't want to go short without at least a little retracement. I'd prefer a break of 26.8. I'd probably look to go short 27.9. That'd be great. Play that back down. But right here in the middle, it's like, what do you do? Where do you go? Let's look at some really low time frames. When we're bored, we look at really low time frames. Ooh. A Russian name I cannot pronounce, but the utmost kudos and respect to you for subscribing. Love it. Gotta love it. A little momentum building on the 1 minute. Little. Very, very tiny. 5 minutes saying nah, downside. 15 downside. 30 kind of downside too, huh? The only bullish thing I've seen from the 1 minute to the 30 is maybe right here. You do have bullish divergence on this low. Unarguably. There's no arguing it. Lower price. RSI, no lower hit on the RSI. And additionally, you have a touch to oversold, basically at the oversold line, and that can be viewed as a swing rejection, which typically leads to a stronger reversal, or at least a more confident reversal. But I'll take that. I'll take that. No divergence there. You've seen Susie go on the hourly. You have a lower low and a lower low on RSI, and it's gone. 2 hour. Wow, everything looks like shit, doesn't it? 3 hours very slowly rolling over. 4 hours very slowly rolling over. Yikes. Yikes! My long, oh no, my longs. My longs are probably wrecked. Mokin Angu. What up, Mokin Angu? You are the best, thank you. Cloud TA. Do some TA in clouds. Let me refresh the chat. Sorry guys, when I'm doing stuff on this screen, I can't read the chat. Take a look at USDT dominance. Someone already said that. Someone said something about that. So alright, I'll pull it up. It's not a chart I really ever pull up. Looks like our previous TA was spot on there a long time ago. Ooh, that actually doesn't look good at all. It looked good. RSI moving down. I want to call this a flat top, but it's really just not. Professor Beans is barking. Ooh. On the monthly, it actually looks pretty strong. Then you go to like the week, and you have these moves up, and RSI is just chilling. Oh, this is your highest point price and your highest RSI. But your RSI highs are coming down. Technically, so your price highs was moving sideways. This is what I didn't like on the day. Huge blast up on RSI, not the highest point. So the daily is looking at some bearish divergence. We'll say this is definitely looks a little bit better than a lot of other stuff here. Since 2019, basically just trended up, but that makes sense. Before 2019, Tether was essentially 0% of the market cap. Essentially. Mark Harris. Hasn't the SEC just said they will not be making a decision of the... Who knows? Who knows, man? I don't know where you heard that. I didn't hear that update. Let's Google Bitcoin ETF SEC past week. The only thing I see is the delay. Reminder, September 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, we have ETF decisions. Literally. Each day, as soon as September starts. So I do expect volatility then. We don't know if one will get approved or not. It honestly doesn't matter. It's been so many years. We've gone over it many times. Be great if we got it. We don't have to wait too long. S&P 500, we drew this out on Wednesday. Actually, looking pretty good here. Sold back off. This was basically judging by the dollar. If the dollar continues to move up, probably going to see this little head and shoulders-y pattern play out. And the dollar does seem to want to keep going. NVIDIA hit over $500 yesterday before selling off, now down to 453, a 10% decline from its all-time high. Still trading on the week very strong, yeah. Very strong, but that's a pretty gnarly wick, actually. Let's see. Roll Bitcoin. I refuse to TA it. Roll bit, send me money. Biggest loser, Pepe, yeah. 8 coin. There's like nothing moving. Frozen Friday. We'll look at Pepe. Apparently there was a big Pepe transfer, which is what people are blaming this on. I don't know if I buy that. I don't know if I buy that. Let me see if I can find... They have like a... Hold up. There it is. Pepe Crypto. All right, I was right. It's not at an all-time... It didn't hit an all-time low, but it did break to the lowest point since May of 23. Wait, May of 20... Holy shit. This has been the longest year in goddamn existence. Like, oh my god. This happened in May? This was only a few months ago. This feels like years ago. I guess the whole SHIB... Pepe, SHIB 2, Pepe 2, SHIB 7, Pepe 69 kind of stuff. I guess all that is just distorting it, but... Alright. You got your lowest point in RSI. You're likely to find bullish divergence on the day on this low. However, MarketCypher-B thinks this looks like garbage. Not buying that bullish divergence, says MarketCypher-B. If Pepe continues to lose ground, we might be looking all the way down here. My reasoning here, honestly, is it's your first wick high on listing, and it's your 618 retracement. So that's about 33% drop from here. 33. You can see pretty clearly 6 zeros, 8-4 held as support in May and in June and broke here in August, but still enough time to close above. It is currently trading back above that support. Not enough time here for the weekly. I hear more subscribers. Hail to the year. Hail to the year. What's up? Ven Keys all in one. Shout out to you, my friend. Hiva Ori. Subscribed. Knowledge. Subscribed. Smart guy. Knowledge. Be like knowledge. Subscribe. Hit the like button. Oh, you got some very, very oversold conditions there. Really just reflecting that bullish divergence on the day. Just way out of the cloud. Every time frame out of the cloud. At the bottom of your bands, honestly, so 6 zeros, 5, 8 is where I'd look for support or a bounce on Pepe if it breaks lower. However, I would caution against shorting right here on Pepe. I would really caution. One, you're shorting on the lowest candle since May of this year, on the way down. 2, you are at the bottom of these daily Bollinger Bands, and to short at the bottom of a Bollinger Band on the day is pretty rough. That's a pretty rough task. Even if Pepe wants to go lower, odds are it will return maybe to 501. Nice psychological value. Right at the start of your dump inefficiency there. At least some kind of bounce. Maybe running into that 12 hour to daily 20 moving average and rejecting lower. I could definitely see that in play. Honestly though, I wouldn't long it either. I wouldn't touch it. I would be very hands off, especially if you're skeptical of what kind of market we're in, if it's bullish or bearish. Things like Pepe, just illiquid markets. And in general, just a lot of altcoins. But illiquid markets, you don't want to be catching knives. Unless you're sure of the trend. Wow, dominance finally came all the way back. Damn. Bitcoin dominance came all the way back to 48.9. That was, for 2 years, our dominance high. Now, right back to it. Maybe testing it as support. I'm going to fire up an alert there. Interesting. The more Bitcoin dominance moves down, the more bullish I'm going to become. It shows risk appetite's increasing. People aren't afraid to invest in other things based on the market sentiment. It almost always coincides with upside price action. So very important alert there, sitting under 48% for dominance. Interesting that moved down. I wonder what pumped. What pumped that made this move down so much? Man, we do not want dominance to break up. USDT dominance. If that breaks to the upside, that is bad. That'll be bad. Almost the only scenario really is that the whole market is dumping. Good stuff on AX. Good stuff on that X. Deep in the red. Let's see. On the poll, we have 500 votes. 43% looking for a dump, 29% for a pump, and 28% for nothing. Good. Pretty good distribution there, actually. Total is below the 200-week moving average. Not great, but potentially holding support here at 1 trillion. Nice psychological level. Man, that doesn't look good, though. Nothing looks good. Nothing looks good. That's the best time to pump. It's the best time to pump. When everything looks like crap. When there's literally no reason it should pump. So it's a good time to pump. Not great. What a weak retracement. Jesus. Good luck, fam. Dollar low green. Bitcoin a low red. Let's take a look at my awful trades. What do I got open? I closed my short because I'm an idiot. I still have this way irresponsible long open. Probably gonna lose like $2 grand on that. 26.6. Yep. Oh God, I'm down. It's down $800 from there. Yikes. The ones we opened live on stream doing pretty terrible. A nice sea of red here. 1, 2.6, 3.9, 4, 7,000, 1.25, 1.4. Down 1.4K on these longs, and it looks like up only about 600 on the shorts. Not great. Riggedy wrecked. This is Fairdesk, by the way. Great exchange to trade on. Links in the video description below. Sign up using my link today to be eligible for some fatties. Some fatties. We must rot. What's up, Craig? Gregzilla? I met your boy the other day. Mark, is XRP breaking up? No. Not right now. Not right now. When will we see Jackson's Hole? I don't want to see Jackson's Hole. Yeah, XRP literally is down 0.01% today. Sometimes I wonder when people come in and they're like, it's pumping, and I look and I'm like, what chart are you looking at? Doesn't mean it can't pump, just isn't pumping currently. Your long says different. Well, if you opened it today, you can only be up 2% if you longed the very bottom today. One hour could look worse. What's up, Bahadur Shah Noor Basha? I feel like I just cast a spell on you guys. Look at Arb. I don't know. Have you subscribed? What's up, Spin B? Mitrala. What's up, dude? Volume? Volume of what? My volume? Sound volume? Or trading volume? Joel, can I look at Crew. Have you subscribed, Joel? You guys subscribe and it alerts. I'll look at it. That's right. Playing hardball. 49x at 2%. There you go. Then you're up. If you long the exact bottom. Daniel, do I have a favorite AI related coin? Nah, not really. Nah. What's up, Crimson Caravan? Yeah, it's Friday. It is the day to honor our blazing lords by partaking in the ganj. It is. Only have 200 likes. Fat chance we'll get 420 today. I don't know. There you go. Ever since I looked at XRP, there's this little green bump. Little green bump there. Pepe, you're garbage. You're garbage, Pepe. My lord. Dollar, settle down, dollar. Simmer it down. Simmer down there, dollar. Simmer it on down. Wicca. Pilot? Yo, what's up, Wick? How you doing, Wick? Tara. Short looks good. What's up, Hiva Puri? How you doing? Pee poo poo. Pepe is pee poo poo. Pepe pee poo poo. Crypto is just a gambling game, says Lasers Edits. If you're lucky, it's going your way. I've been trying not to think about my bags of Litecoin, my friend. Andrew Tate is here. The Andrew Tate in chat. The Andrew Tate, apparently going long on Maker. Wild. The longer you stare into Jackson's hole, the more likely Jackson's hole stares back to you. For those who stare into the abyss. Stream down or just you? I hope not. Should be just you. I've got no notifications. I got no SOSs. Oh no, I just got the SOS. Wow. How did you know before me? Wonder why that's happening. What's up, M Stone? No, YouTube's saying we're not getting enough. We're not receiving enough video, which is odd because my streaming software says that we are. Uh-oh. Skedio. Are we still live? Ooh. DGen Hulk subscribed. We're live enough for DGen Hulk to subscribe. It was lagging for a second. I wonder why. Let me do this. Sometimes this helps. You got banned from CF stream? That's hard. That's an accomplishment, dude. That's an accomplishment. What's up, Life for Adam? Orlin Nekov. How you doing? Patrick Lishman. I missed you earlier. What's up, dude? Space Ape Spin B. Crypto Surfer. Still holding on that Voltinu or whatever it is that you comment. What's up, Drum Hop, DGen Hulk, Crypto Birdie. Yeah, I think I got everybody. BG, Kryptonium. Yeah, I got everybody. Could we shit or get off the pot here, friends? Could we shit or get off the pot? Let's make a move. Let's go down. You want your long fill? That's the spirit. You saw the lag for a minute. Bitcoin Rules is here. What's up, man? Connor Anderson. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. That's odd. Now it says it's healthy, but it like totally froze, I guess. It's Friday. It is the weekend. Who has the best weekend plan? I love asking that. The real reason I ask is so that if it's a really good one, I can steal it and then tell all my friends that I came up with the idea. So let me know. What's your best weekend plan? There's nothing moving. Nothing. I'm just looking at it. Someone said Ecomi earlier. I see Ecomi is up. 200 million market cap. All right. I don't even have a chart. Don't even have a chart. Bear market. Chart bear market. Chart market. I could have sworn. Oh, it's OMI. I probably do have a chart. Oh, well. Goated. Goated. Okay. Wait. No, this is OMG. Ha, OMI. OMI, OMG. Oh, it's not traded anywhere, is it? Okay, it's not Kraken. No. It's only traded on Gate, OKX, whatever Pith is. It can probably Pith off. Pith off. There we go, though. I see why you're looking at it. It's a nice little candle. I'd be very weary of it while the rest of the market seems to kind of be dumping. Be weary of it, but that's not the worst thing. That RSI on the week is insanity. All right, it's already past its first resistance. Not bad. You take that. I'll take that. Straight up to 11. 236 retracement. Not a lot else there. Could do something like this. Might be looking for 00146. Might be. This. Market Cipher B is very bullish on it, huh? Interesting. Interesting. Unexpected. I would not have expected anything to look like that. Let's see. I don't know what this is either. Interesting. Interesting. Good luck. Good luck. I would not be buying the top of that candle. If I was in a long already, I might look to take profit somewhere 0013 to 00145, right around here. If I was FOMOing at the mouth to get into this, I would probably look for a retracement at least down to 001. Lot safer entry there. If I was looking to short it, I'd likely short up here. I'd likely look to long down here. And good luck. The rest of the market, it's just not mirroring the rest of the market, and you guys are going to convince yourself it's because it's going to the moon and it's special. I've seen this over and over again. It always ends the same way. Unless the rest of the market magically reverses, this is just going to get sold off. Damn, it's even climbing in this hour. That's pretty spicy, though. Appreciate whoever said to look at it. Appreciate you. Appreciates yous. What I do. Tom streaming on Is it still doing it? Is it doing it again? It says it's healthy on my side. I don't get it. I don't understand. Maybe my computer's just being lazy. Could be on YouTube's side. I've been Solana'd. No, don't Luna me. Don't Luna me. Don't Solana me. Don't FTX me. YouTube being weird. I'm back. Yeah, whatever. Not enough buyers on this Friday sale. Yeah, doesn't even really feel like there's a lot of sellers on this sale. It's just trading in a range, honestly. If we disconnect again, maybe it's a sign that we're supposed to go enjoy our Friday. Maybe. Maybe. YouTube got the downs. It keeps cutting out. What the fuck? Why? The voice is getting cut. Oh, man. It's weird because on my side, it's showing nothing is wrong. And 100% of the time when this happens, 100% of the time when we disconnect, it'll say it. It'll say, you're not getting enough data, you're not sending enough, etc. It says excellent connection. It's very weird. Maybe YouTube is having issues. You should definitely join the Discord. And you should definitely subscribe. Long FTT, good luck with that, dude. You are a braver man than I, Long and FTT. YouTube trash today. Yeah. What's happening with Ape? What's up, Euros? Kovacic? Ape is, man, Ape was a coin when it came out. I was like, I would sell this coin right away. Holy poops. Holy poops. Yep, good luck, Ape. If Ape doesn't bounce at $1, it's like good game. It's 40% drop from here. Yikes. Yikes. 2G Wi-Fi. I got 0G. I'm on 56K, baby. 56K. Actually, we are streaming on Twitch, so you could tell. You could tell if, like, it's just YouTube. Crypto tracker, it's fine. No issues. Cool. I don't know. It seems like we do. It appears we do. I don't know if we do. We certainly have lost a bunch of viewers since it started, though. Since all that gibberish started. We had about 425. That fell to like 350. Nice. Got another subscriber. Yoros, my man. Yoros. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Be like Yoros. Subscribe. You know what, guys? I don't really have anything else to say right now. Join the Discord. Make sure you've subscribed. We're going to be live again soon, Monday at the latest. Join the Discord. That place is popping with Crypto Chat 24/7. Sign up with our sponsors in the video description below, and unless it gets spicy this weekend, I'll catch you Monday. Crown out.